How to enable or disable dark mode, dark theme on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Here you can see we set the dark mode on my device. If you want to remove the dark mode or enable light theme, follow the steps. In app drawer, go to the display on your device. Here you can see the light option. Here you can see light theme set or select the dark mode. You can also see the dark mode setting that will automatically activate dark mode on your Samsung S25 series or any other latest Samsung One UI device. So tap the dark mode settings. Here you can set the schedule to turn on the dark mode. So toggle on it. Now two options available: sunset to sunrise. To use sunset to sunrise, make sure turn on the location on your device. So we turn on the location to automatically activate dark mode from sunset to sunrise. Also set the custom schedule. Now select the time for start time and end time to automatically enable dark mode. Tap on a done when select the time. If you don't want to set schedule, just toggle up it to turn off dark mode. Now go back. You can quickly enable disable light or dark mode using this. You can also use a quick setting tile. Swipe down from the notification on your device. And here you can check for the dark mode or dark theme option if available or not on your device. If not available, then follow the same setting. Go to settings, display, and select the light or dark mode. That's it. If you like it, share it.